welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into the video, and to get started I'm going to be using my Tranquil Aqua shade by iGel Beauty, and this is actually the color that inspired me to create this set. This is a freestyle set, you guys, and I love the way it came out. So I'm applying that shade on the thumbnail and the pinky nail. And on the other nails, I am going to be applying Cozy Cashmere by iGel Beauty. This is such a perfect nude color. So I'm going to be applying this on the index fingernail and the middle fingernail. And for all the nails that are already painted, I did go ahead and apply a second coat to those nails as well. Now for the ring fingernail, I decided to go on with some gel base coat, and I really wanted to add some like gold embellishments on this nail because I was looking through my drawers and I seen these really pretty like little gold hearts that I had. I believe I got those little hollow gold hearts from Shein, so I'll leave a link to them down below. I believe that's where I got them from. But anyways, as a base for this nail, I did go ahead and take some white gel polish, and I'm just like swirling it right over that gel base coat, as well as like a clear glitter shade. I'm also swirling that in. Here are the gold embellishments that I was talking about. I just wanted to take some of these and encapsulate them in this nail. And these are a little bit more difficult to encapsulate using gel just because they're thicker. But I saw that I had these gold stars and I really wanted to incorporate them, as well as these are the hearts that I was talking about that I believe I picked up from Shein. And yeah, you guys, they're so cute. They're super tiny and they're just these little gold hollow hearts. And I decided, like I said, to add some of these little stars as well. So to apply the embellishment, I'm just applying my iGel Beauty gel base coat, and I'm going ahead and I'm applying these little gold embellishments randomly all over the nail. Now I'm going to be trying to encapsulate these embellishments, and like I said, it is a little bit trickier to encapsulate things like this in gel. So what I did was I took a thick builder gel and I mixed it with a little bit of base coat, and I applied it in this bottle, this random bottle that I had, and I applied two thick layers over this nail. And when I took it out of the lamp, I wiped the sticky residue layer off, and then I took a fine grit file. This is a 240 file, and I lightly started buffing out this nail just so this nail is not lumpy or too thick. And I really focused the filing on the sides of the nails just because I didn't want to lose the shape of this nail. This is a coffin shaped nail, and I didn't want it to look too thick at the tops. So once I was done filing that, I just took a little cotton pad with alcohol and I wiped over that, and everything's nice and smooth and it looks perfect. So now I'm taking some more of that Tranquil Aqua shade by iGel Beauty, and I'm going to go ahead and create this like little pretty swirl that I thought of, and I'm just going to be applying that on the nail. also thought that a little white swirl would look really nice on this nail as well. So I just took some white gel polish and I'm creating a little swirl kind of like on the side of that teal swirl. And once that is all done, you guys do want to top coat everything. And for the index nail with the swirls, I did decide to go over that with a matte top coat. And the rest of the nails, I am going to be using a no cleanse gel shiny top coat over the rest of the nails. Now for the middle fingernail, I decided to do a really pretty French tip design, and when I'm done applying this white gel polish, I'm actually not going to cure it right away because I am going to be applying some iridescent glitter over this white. So it's going to look super pretty and it's going to go ahead and cure with the glitter right on top of that. And I also decided to add an extra swirl on that swirl nail with the glitter as well. This is the fine glitter that I'm using. I actually picked this container up from Walmart, and I believe you guys could order it online on Walmart as well. It's like super inexpensive and it's a really good glitter. I really like the way that it showed up on these nails, and it comes in a big container. So I feel like if you were to get something like this at Michael's or like another craft store, it would probably run you a little bit more than it did at Walmart. So this was definitely a good find. Once you're done curing that in your lamp, you want to take a fluffy brush and just wipe off all the excess glitter. And now here, as you guys can see, I decided to take some little rhinestones. These are in sizes SS6. And I'm just going ahead and following that swirl line with these rhinestones. And I'm also going to be applying some rhinestones on the middle fingernail as well. Once you guys are done with that, I just went ahead and filed the tops, and this should be your finished results. I hope you guys really enjoyed this freestyle set. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.